Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Hotel Review channel. Today, I want to tell you about the Egyptian hotel Jaz Mirabel Beach Resort, which is located in Sharm El Sheikh. Let's go. First, as usual, a little general information about the hotel. Jaz Mirabel Beach Resort is located on the Red Sea coast, a 10-minute drive from Sharm El Sheikh International Airport. It offers a spa center, restaurants, bars, outdoor pools, and a private beach. The beach of this 5-star hotel is located on the first line. The hotel is suitable for travelers of all ages, but no pets. The complex opened in 2006, and its last partial renovation was in 2019. In general, guests believe that this hotel is excellent for family vacations, as well as for young people. There is absolutely everything here for a comfortable stay. The rating of the hotel on Google is 4.8, on Booking 8.4, on TripAdvisor 4.5. The resort leaves a pleasant impression. The beautiful garden of the hotel is green and well-maintained, very clean all around. Chic palm trees, bushes, trees, all planted neatly and tastefully. It should be said that the hotel design is a common feature for all Just hotels. The territory of the complex is quite large. There is a place to walk in the evening and it does not tire. There are a lot of recreation areas and bars where you can sit and relax body and soul. Also, on the territory of Jaz Mirabel Beach Resort, there are 6 swimming pools, some of them heated. For adults and children, there are water slides, so that the territory of the hotel is just gorgeous and deserves a solid 5. The beach is large enough and equipped with everything you need, especially I want to emphasize very comfortable and easy chairs. The coastline is wide, so you will have no problems finding a place. The entrance to the sea is sandy, but to get to the coral reef you need a pontoon, and it is on reconstruction. Actually, this is the main disadvantage of the beach. Splash in the shallow water is convenient only for children. But adults, to dive deep, you need to walk to the neighboring beach, which has a pier. There is a bar on the beach where you can refresh yourself with cocktails, except that it does not work from 9 a.m. and opens much later, which is inconvenient. In general, the beach is excellent. We hope that soon the reconstruction of the pontoon will be finished, and then in general we can say that the beach is wonderful and deserves 5 out of 5 points. About the food in the main restaurant and the hotel, many tourists speak very positively. The food is delicious and guests like it. The restaurants serve local and international cuisine. I am sure that you will be pleased with a huge selection of different dishes, several types of fish and meat, including grilled crabs, shrimp, fresh vegetables, soups, salads, pasta. In short, you are sure to find something delicious for yourself. Rooms in the hotel are pretty standard, but they look quite good. True, some are already in need of updating. For example, the beds in many rooms creak so that any turn can be heard throughout the room. Mattresses are old and uncomfortable. Also, the hotel administration should pay attention to the shower cabins in the rooms, because the water pressure in them is poor, because of which warm water flows not immediately. Cleaning of rooms. Many guests are not satisfied and note that the cleaners are good only twist hairs from towels. And that's it. Apparently, they just do not realize that good cleaning is not quite that. For children in Jaz Mirabel Beach Resort, there is a small water park with water slides, and there is also a children's club. The beach for children is just perfect. The entrance to the sea is sandy and there is no great depth, so adults can rest easy. Children splash in the sea. For adults and children in the hotel, there are various events. Live music, discos, a show of jet skis in the pool. Every evening there are invited guests, singers, dancers, artists. Children's animation is also good, so you will definitely not be bored here. Excellent entertainment program just will not let you get bored. The hotel staff is very attentive and helpful. All try to help you and maximally satisfy all your wishes. Many visitors note the friendliness and hospitality of all the hotel staff. Everyone is very smiling and pleasant. The impression remains that each employee is concerned that you had a great vacation and took home only pleasant impressions of the vacation. In general, I can conclude that this hotel is great for both family and youth vacation. This hotel is one solid plus, and a gorgeous beach and a varied diet. And what a beautiful territory of this hotel. Straight Instagram views, I would say. Very nice staff, great entertainment. Everything for you. The only thing is, there are two drawbacks. The first is there's no punt zones to go deep sea diving, and the second is the rooms are a little outdated. I've tried to bring you the latest and most complete information about this hotel, and while you are making a decision, I recommend you to watch also these videos about other Egyptian hotels. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you at the new hotel.